Chapter. So today we will be doing an unboxing from Joann's. So this is a little different. This is actually crafting stuff or stamping, card making, scrapbook making stuff. This is from Joann's, but it is the Hero Arts kits that are only available at Joann's. I bought 2 of them when they had free shipping because they do ship from supposedly the warehouse from Hero Arts, so they're considered a third party, so you cannot use a coupon, which does kind of stink, but this is, I did get free shipping because Joann's was having free shipping that weekend. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So I actually got it early. It wasn't supposed to come in until Tuesday. So let's see what we got. Take this out because I didn't want you to see that, being that it has my address on it. So it comes packaged like this. So you have August kit. You have the August kit. I think this is August or September. And then you have September's kit, and then September's little booklet. Okay, so these are the 2 I got. It says visit Joann's on October 6th for the next kit. So that one will be coming out soon. So I got the autumn one, and I got this one that I like because I really like the octopus one. So let's jump into the August kit first. So it comes packaged in tissue paper. Let's open it up. See what we got. So it's nice and taped. Now these kits were $30. They say they are listed for $60. So technically I got it half off. So that was pretty neat. If you were probably to pay everything at full price, then it'd be a little more expensive. But it has everything you need to make, I think it said 12 cards. I'm not sure if it says on here, but I'm thinking it said 12 cards. So, show you what we got. So, we give you a little closer look. Sorry for the glare. But the little octopus and the little sayings say, like, need a hand, I'm here for you. Go with the flow, just floating by to say hello, and best fishes. And then your die cut to go with it. Then you got one of these blending brushes. Ooh, that's very soft. So a blending brush. Put it back in there so it don't get dirty. You got, this is like paste. I don't really know what it's called. This is going to be new to me. This is a white hero paste, and it, like, to me it's kind of like plaster. It kind of, I've watched videos where it hardens up. And then you got your stencil for the paste or for your blending. And then you got 4 little stamping kits. You got Pool Party, Creamsicle, Key Lime Fizz, and Blue Hawaiian. And then you got your paper to be able to make the cards. So you got 2, this is the, plus you got the vellum also. So you got 4 vellums, 4 mist premium, 4 kiwi, and 4 papaya. So you got all 4 of those. So that was the one kit. So all this came in one kit, like I said, for $30. And it says just to go online to YouTube and search Hero Arts to show you how to make some of these cards. So it's pretty neat, but they do show you like how to make them on here. So that's pretty neat. And then the next kit I got, again, like I said, I got the August one. So this is the little August one. So it has, like, you know, an autumn theme to it, which is pretty neat. And I'm wondering if it's showing you like a little preview of what might be next to come down here in the corner. So if this is a little preview, it shows you maybe some like little kid stuff, so like maybe some monsters or something. So that's kind of neat. However, if you do go to heroesart.com, heroesarts.com, if I can say it right, they do have their own kit on there that they sell, and they do sometimes sell out. So if you want to look into a kit from them by themselves, go to their website. So this one actually came in two different, we have a couple different packaging. So you have the gold paper, or the glitter paper, and you get 4 sheets of mixed glitter paper. I'm not going to open this, but oh my gosh, that is very glittery. I don't know if you can see it, gold shimmering. But you actually get orange, gold, copper, and bronze. Then you have your, it's kind of wood grain cardstock. You have 4 pieces of this. So it's already, if you make cards, I don't know if you can see, probably not. It's already embossed with wood grain, and then you have 4 sand cardstock, 4 sheets of that. And then in here, you get not necessarily 5 inking stamps, because one is actually a little stamp pad of their embossing watermark. So that's kind of neat. You like working with that. I haven't ever really worked with it, so I'm kind of excited. So in here you get your 4 stamps, ink pads. You got Tiger's Eye, Citrine, Ruby, and Emerald. And then you got your clear embossing or watermark. You got your sunset enamel dots. So you have kind of like a pinkish orange yellow, which is very pretty. Then you got this cute little autumn set, which is very, very cute. I really like this. I like the autumn leaves, the little berries to go with it, the acorns, the little mushrooms. All this is really cute. And then you got your matching die set for all of them. So the only thing that doesn't have the cutouts is your little sayings, which says, you know, happy, harvest, Thanksgiving, and autumn. And then you got your embossing powder, which is, I'm trying to find it, copper. So this is your copper embossing powder. So I'm excited to try this again. So these are really neat kits. I can't wait to start them. I am going to have to try to ask my mom for the stamping block I have at home, because this is the only stamping block I have here at my house is a little rectangle. So I'm going to need to ask my mom for my big one, which is at her house. So I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing. It's a little different than diamond painting. So if you would like to check these out, go to Joann's. Also, like I said, you can check out their kits they sell at their website by themselves. So really neat kits. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my video.